Recently, a wave of attention has formed around Voyager 1 and the strange ways its long-term data is being interpreted. Some online discussions have gone as far as claiming the spacecraft has detected hundreds of massive objects in deep space. While no official scientific report confirms anything in that dramatic form, the fascination behind such claims comes from something real and far more interesting. Voyager 1 is still sending back measurements from a region of space no human-made object has ever explored for this long. And those measurements continue to reveal an interstellar environment that is more active and structured than earlier models predicted. The result is a mix of solid science, careful interpretation, and growing public imagination layered on top of one of humanity's most enduring space missions. Voyager 1 was launched in 1977 with a very different purpose in mind. It was designed as part of the Voyager program's planetary tour, taking advantage of a rare alignment of the outer planets to perform gravity-assist flybys. It visited Jupiter and Saturn, revealing extreme volcanic activity on Io, unexpected atmospheric dynamics in the gas giants, and a level of complexity in Saturn's rings that reshaped planetary science. After completing its planetary objectives, it continued outward, eventually becoming the first spacecraft to cross into interstellar space. That transition was not marked by a visible boundary, but by changes in particle behavior, magnetic field orientation, and plasma density. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the outer edge of the heliosphere, where the solar wind is no longer the dominant influence and the interstellar medium begins to take over. What makes Voyager 1 scientifically valuable today is not that it is seeing solid objects in the conventional sense, but that it is sampling a region of space that behaves less like empty vacuum and more like a dynamic plasma environment. The interstellar medium contains charged particles, dust, and magnetic fields that shift and fluctuate over time. Instruments on Voyager 1 have detected changes in cosmic ray intensity, variations in magnetic field direction, and low-frequency plasma oscillations that are sometimes described as a faint hum of interstellar space. These signals are not sound waves in the everyday sense, but translated data representing wave activity in plasma. When viewed without context, such patterns can sound mysterious. But within astrophysics, they are expected consequences of moving through a magnetized, ionized medium shaped by nearby stars and ancient supernova explosions. Part of the public confusion comes from how scientific language and simplified descriptions can drift apart. When researchers talk about irregularities, fluctuations, or structures in plasma density, these terms can sometimes be misread as implying physical objects or engineered formations. In reality, Voyager 1 is far too small and its instruments far too limited to directly image distant bodies in interstellar space. Instead, it measures local environmental conditions along its narrow path through the galaxy. Even so, those measurements are incredibly valuable because they provide the first direct sampling of conditions outside the heliosphere, helping scientists understand how our solar system interacts with the broader Milky Way environment. The heliosphere itself plays a major role in shaping what Voyager 1 experiences. It is not a static bubble, but a constantly changing region formed by the outward pressure of the solar wind against the incoming interstellar medium. Its shape is influenced by the Sun's motion through the galaxy and by variations in solar activity over time. Data from Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, together with missions like IBEX, show that this boundary is uneven and dynamic, with regions of compression and distortion rather than a smooth spherical shell. This helps explain why different spacecraft crossed it at different distances and why the transition appears gradual in some measurements and sharper in others. Despite being more than 40 years old, Voyager 1 continues to reveal something scientists once only imagined. Interstellar space is not empty. It is alive with magnetic fields, streams of charged particles, and subtle structures invisible to ordinary eyes. And as the spacecraft drifts farther into the darkness between stars, Every faint signal it sends back reminds us that even the emptiest regions of the universe are far more. As Voyager 1 continues its journey, engineering limitations become just as important as scientific discoveries. The spacecraft operates on a slowly decaying radioisotope power source and carries systems designed in the 1970s. Its memory is extremely limited by modern standards, and decades of radiation exposure gradually affect its electronics, occasionally causing bit flips and communication glitches. In 2023, engineers encountered a strange situation in which telemetry data appeared corrupted because of an internal routing issue inside the spacecraft's data system, even though the probe itself remained healthy. Because signals take more than 22 hours to travel each way, diagnosing and correcting such problems requires extraordinary patience. Every command sent from Earth is effectively a message into deep time. Despite these challenges, Voyager 1 continues to return meaningful scientific information. One of its most important contributions has been mapping how cosmic radiation changes beyond the heliosphere. Measurements show that galactic cosmic rays are significantly more intense in interstellar space than inside the solar system, confirming the protective role of the heliosphere as a shield against high-energy particles originating from supernova remnants and distant astrophysical sources. This discovery has implications not only for space physics but also for future interstellar exploration, where radiation exposure becomes a major engineering challenge. Yet Voyager's earlier planetary discoveries remain just as important today. Its observations of Jupiter revealed a turbulent atmosphere dominated by enormous storms and radiation belts far stronger than expected. Io's volcanism demonstrated that tidal forces from a giant planet can generate intense internal heating in moons. Saturn's rings were shown to be dynamically complex systems made of countless interacting ringlets rather than static structures. Moons such as Europa and Enceladus later became key targets in the search for subsurface oceans and potentially habitable environments. These findings fundamentally reshaped planetary science and expanded humanity's understanding of what active worlds can look like. But Voyager 1 carries something even more extraordinary than scientific instruments. Attached to the spacecraft is the Golden Record, a gold-plated phonograph containing sounds, images, music, and greetings from Earth. It was created as a message for any future intelligence that might encounter the spacecraft long after humanity itself is gone. It transforms Voyager from a purely technical mission into a cultural artifact, drifting endlessly through interstellar space as a representation of human existence. Even if it is never found, its presence makes a profound statement about curiosity and exploration. In the end, the true significance of Voyager 1 is not the idea of mysterious hidden structures or dramatic interpretations of its data, but something quieter and far more profound. It shows that interstellar space is not empty in the way early models once imagined. It is filled with subtle physical processes, magnetic interactions, and plasma dynamics that only become visible through long-duration measurement. It also reveals the limits of human-built machines and, at the same time, their extraordinary reach across time and distance. As Voyager 1 continues to drift farther into the galaxy, it carries with it both scientific instruments and human curiosity. Its signals grow weaker. Its systems age. Its power slowly fades. Yet each faint transmission represents a direct connection between humanity and a region of space no person will physically reach for a very long time. Whatever interpretations emerge around its data, the underlying reality is already remarkable. A small machine built on Earth is still exploring the space between stars, revealing that even the darkest regions of the cosmos contain structure, motion, and complexity waiting to be understood. And long after its final signal disappears into the silence, Voyager 1 will continue its endless journey, carrying with it a tiny record of a civilization that once looked up at the stars and chose to explore. vidIQ